Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is an 8-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a beautiful dot mandala. Even very beginners can follow and recreate. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center in golden yellow. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll keep some tiny dots in green. I'll keep some dots in light blue. I'll keep some swipes in yellow now. Now I'll keep some swipes in light green. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll work the dots in light green now. I'll work the dots again in light green. I'll keep some dots in light blue. I'll work the dots in light blue now. I'll keep some straight swipes in yellow. I'll keep some side swipes in green. I'll keep some dots in light blue. I'll work the dots in yellow. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.